Days after Union Home Secretary chaired a high-level meeting in the Jammu and Kashmir, now the massive searches to ensure that all the terrorists has to be neutralized that has been started here in the Jammu and Kashmir. You can see that we have reached in one of a location where searches are going on, and you can see that how Jammu and Kashmir police jawans, they are searching the forest area, and this is the Operation Sweep to ensure that all the terrorists present in the Jammu and Kashmir and hiding here, they has to be neutralized as soon as possible. You can see that these are the tough terrains of forest, and especially near the international border area where the searches are going on, and Jammu and Kashmir police jawans, they are basically moving inside the forest area, and these locations are the vulnerable locations from where in the past as well infiltration has taken place, and terrorists number of times have they have tried to basically infiltrate to this side, and that attempt was foiled by the Jammu and Kashmir police and the BSF as well. Now when fresh input says that after a number of terrorists was gunned down here in the Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar and the Udhampur, where Jaish-e-Mohammed cadre was eliminated by the security forces, Pakistan once again is planning to push terrorists over here in the Jammu and Kashmir, and to deal that threat. Massive searches have been launched near the international borders and the forest areas of Jammu and Kashmir, so that the terrorists, those who are present over here, they has to be neutralized, and those who basically are sitting across, they also has to be properly plugged, and loopholes has to be plugged, and then they have to neutralize all the terrorists over there. You can see that how searches are going on, and jawans, Jammu and Kashmir police jawans, they are moving step by step ahead of this forest area to ensure that if any threat is there, that has to be totally decimated. These are the locations basically which which was used by by the enemy, by the terrorists in the past as well. So this seems to be a major challenge for the security forces, that they have to plug all the loopholes. They have to ensure that if any hideout is there, that hideout is must be decimated so that it cannot be used. And forest is the base area. Forest is the basically area where terrorists basically used to hide themselves in the forest, and so that they can, whenever getting direction from across from their master sitting in Pakistan, they can carry out major attacks. Also, the tunnel is another mean of infiltration to this side of the Jammu and Kashmir from the international border. So that's why these border areas has to be properly checked over here by the forces, and Jammu and Kashmir police jawans and officers on the toes round the clock to ensure that every threat has to be foiled, every plan of Pakistan has to be decimated. These are the exclusive visuals on the News X from Ground Zero, where forces, they are on the toe to foil all the nefarious plan of Pakistan to disturb peace over here. With Bunty Digra, Ajay Jandial, News X, Jammu.
महाशय धर्मपाल